Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be explaining on how I cut these trades on BTC USD, using structural liquidity key level. We can also call it the alchemy strategy, So we'll be cleaning up these drawings here, then start our analysis, our top-down analysis from the daily time frame. Now, for your key levels using the SLK strategy, you would want to see something like this: a resistance level that broke structure, then a liquidity or stacked up liquidity to your point of interest, then you sell down to clear this low. Now here would be your point of interest. This classic A level, or you can call it the resistance level, is going to be your it's going to be your point of interest. Then that resistance level must create a break to the downside. Is a must. It must create a break to the downside. So using our line chart, because this can be seen clearly using the line chart. Now this is our line chart. This is the break of structure to the downside. Now this is our resistance level, or you can also call it the classic A level. Then what happened? Market tapped into it and started moving. So this was this is the Sunday candle. Like, this is the candle that was formed on Sunday. I waited for a sweep of that candle, which happened here. Then spotted this candlestick rejection. This is the inverted hammer, if I'm not wrong. The inverted hammer. This candlestick now is the inverted hammer. So I went down to the 4-hour time frame to spot for my break, and also refine that my resistance level. So here is the refined area. This resistance level also is a place you can refine your entry to. Then the Asian session swept this high, which you also saw at the daily time frame. It swept this high. You can enter from here, but I waited for confirmation. I want to see my internal structure break, then my point of interest again. So right here, this is a place you can enter from. Here is a place you can enter from, or rather, you can enter directly from that resistance level, but your stop loss would be a bit bigger. You see, I don't want to have this kind of stop loss, so I would want to wait for my internal structure to give a change of character, which it did at the 1-hour time frame. So right here, excuse me, right here, this is the sweep that happened here. Excuse me, sorry. This is the sweep that happened here. Then this is our break. Here was our break, or you can also call it a change of character using the smart money concept. You can also call it a change of character. Then I chose this key level again. As you can see, this is a classic A level. You see, using our line charts, this is a classic A level that created a break over here. So I picked my entry. Here at this level. I picked my entry there. Then my stop loss above that wick. Then my take profit area at this low. Then I was also aware that BTC is still on an uptrend. You get? So I tried looking for a buy opportunity using my trend line. So it's from here, right? No, not from here. I think it's from here. I can't remember. Oh, hold on. Okay, I think it's from here. So here was the first touch. This area was the first touch. Here was the second touch. So the second touch to the trend line created a break to the outside, showing that okay, our trend line is working, is active. So okay, the trend line was somewhere around here. So I waited for it to retest the trend line, which it did around this area. Here was my original point of interest. This other block was my point of interest earlier, but I decided to pick my entry from the 1 hour OCL level, around here. Then I picked my buy entry from here. Oh, sorry. I picked my buy from here, then targeted the liquidity guarding my sell position on BTC. Then my stop loss was under that bearish candle. It was here. So this was how I caught a 6 risk reward trade on BTC sell and a 7 risk reward trade on BTC buy, using the structural liquidity key level. So guys, this is it. If you want more content like this, more video like this, like, subscribe and share to your friends. Don't keep it to yourself. Make sure you share to your friends. Have a nice day.